Now this is how you can turn off background activity on your iPhone. Let's get into it. So when you open up the settings app on your device and scroll down to the general section, you will be able to find the background app refresh. And this is like a comprehensive settings page for all of the apps included. The first option at the top is like a blanket solution for all of your apps. So if you wish to do so, what you can do is to click on off, which is going to apply to every single app on your device. Besides this, you also have the ability to choose Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. So perhaps you don't want to use up your cellular data and you can just go ahead and use Wi-Fi only. So that is the first way to manage this. Besides that, as I said, when you come back to the original page, you have the list of alphabetically ordered apps which are installed on your device. So you can choose app by app specifically whether or not you want them to have access to being refreshed in the background. And this may be useful for some apps, but others just doesn't really make sense to keep it turned on. For instance, the weather app, perhaps you want to have it fresh, like new information refreshed in the background. Every time you open the app, you want to see the information right away. Perhaps you want to keep it for the weather. However, some random apps like, I don't know, like you can see right here some timetable app or tasks, games, whatever. These probably don't need to be refreshed, meaning they save the internet, save the battery, and you can just keep it turned off. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe for more, and I'm just gonna see you later on in the next tutorial.